Hey everyone, this is Aurora from the Crazy Cousins YouTube channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to make oatmeal raisin cookies. Woo! So what you're going to need are some measuring cups, and I have them over here somewhere. You are going to need some measuring spoons, and you're going to need an oven, of course, and you're going to need cookie pans. So the recipe calls for, this is the recipe, so I'll put it at the end of this video so you can make them too. What you're going to need is, you're going to need some oats. If you don't care what kind of oats they are, you can see them. Some raisins, because my mom doesn't like the raisins, so we make them oatmeal raisin. Cinnamon, vanilla, brown sugar, butter, white sugar, some eggs, and flour. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So while you're cooking, you can let the oven warm up. So the first thing you're going to do is get a half a pound of butter, which would be 2 sticks in this case. You're going to want to unwrap them. And put them in a microwavable safe cup, or in this case measuring cup, since I don't have any cups right now. And then you're going to want to put them in until they're somewhat melted or soft. So it would be about maybe 40 or 43 seconds is what we do with our microwave. All microwaves are different. And always remember, it's easiest to clean up while you do it. So I'm going to throw away the butter right now and put it back in the fridge. And in case you're wondering, I made this apron. I'll make another video to show you how you make the apron with the pockets and how to stick your name into it, or your initials. That's going to be a different video. Next thing you're going to need, I forgot to tell you about this, you are going to need a very, very big bowl, because this makes a lot of dough. It makes like 4 dozen cookies. So you're going to need I did a bowl this size because it's easiest. And then if you haven't used it for a while, you might want to rinse it out. And the butter is ready. Change the butter to about this. So somewhat melted, somewhat still there. And then you're going to pour it into the bowl. Make sure it's all there. So butter's going to look sort of like this. And you're going to want to get a fork, a whisk, or something like that to stir it with. I start out with using a very big fork to sort of mash up the butter a little bit. And then you put in 2 eggs, brown or white, doesn't matter, whichever is your favorite will work. And make sure you don't get shells in it, because that wouldn't taste very good. And if you don't want to make this much, you can do like half the recipe, because that would work the best. Or you can make more or less, depending on how many cookies you want. Like this recipe is good for if you're having a big party with like 50 people coming or something like that. This recipe is really good, like for a birthday party or a graduation. So once you mix the butter and the eggs up, mix it to about this, where it's a little chunky and a little smooth. So like this. And then you're going to want to add half a cup of regular sugar. So in this case it will be my white sugar. And different cups will say different measurements. If you have a liquid that says this side up for solids, this side up for liquids, make sure you do the solid side up for this recipe because you'll end up with way too much sugar. And then you'll stir the sugar in with the eggs and the butter. And then you're going to want to add 1 cup of packed brown sugar. So I have this bag of brown sugar. Let's put in 1 cup and make sure it's packed so you can get as much in as possible. That's why it says packed. And the easiest way to clean up, this is the first time I'm doing it like this, is get a garbage bag and lay it out on your counter. That way you don't have to clean it up. And we will continue this video in just a moment.